For perfect washing results, you have to dose very precisely, or never again. iDOS is the intelligent automatic dosing system found in Bosch washing machines and works as follows. Just pour in up to 1.3 liters of liquid detergent once, and iDOS dispenses precisely the right amount of detergent for many loads of laundry. The second compartment can hold half a liter of fabric softener for more challenging loads. Simply select the automatic program and iDOS takes care of the rest. During the first wash cycle, sensors detect how much and what kind of textiles are loaded in order to adjust the amount of water. Additional sensors screen the water as it drains off, determining how dirty the laundry is. This information ensures that iDOS constantly dispenses the right amount of water or detergent and adjusts temperature settings or drum movements accordingly. This is good news for you, your laundry, and the environment. iDOS is kinder to your clothes and reduces detergent use by up to 30% per wash cycle and saves up to 7,062 liters of water a year. This is iDOS by Bosch, the intelligent automatic dosing system. Fill up once and it doses automatically, wash after wash. Bosch. Invented for life.